Hey everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how to short Bitcoin. I was always wondering how you can short Bitcoin if you don't own any, until I finally understood how it works. In the last video we went over exchanges and which one has the lowest trading fees. The winners were Binance and KuCoin. That's why I've decided to make two separate videos. So today we will short Bitcoin on KuCoin and next time I will show you how it works on Binance. If we want to short Bitcoin, we have to use our margin account. We start under trade and then click margin. The order book on the left looks the same, but we have a few more options when placing an order. First step is that we have to decide if we want to use cross or isolated margin. Cross margin can be used for all trading pairs and isolated is only for a specific trading pair. We only want to short Bitcoin, so we can use isolated margin because then we can use higher leverage. To be very clear, I don't recommend using high leverage if you don't know how it works. You have to understand when you use high leverage, it's easier for you to get liquidated if the price goes against you. Later I will show you how to put a stop loss. That's what I always do to minimize risk. Next we have to transfer funds to the margin account. That could be Bitcoin or USDT. I'm going to go with Tether and click transfer. Now that we have funds in our margin account, we can borrow Bitcoin and sell it. We do this when we think the market is gonna drop, so we can buy it back at a cheaper price. We have to buy it back at some point because we have to pay back the Bitcoin we just borrowed. This is why it's important to put a stop loss. You can do this by simply putting a buy order at, let's say, 5% higher than the current price. That would mean we lose 5% if the market decides to go up. But it's a small loss compared to being liquidated. But you can also put it at 10 or 15% depending on how much risk you want to take. I placed the stop limit order, and in case the price reaches 42,000, my order will be triggered and we buy Bitcoin. Let's say the market went down as we predicted, then we buy back the amount of Bitcoin we owe and are left with a small profit. Just make sure to pay it back over here, otherwise you will be charged a fee for every hour of borrowing. Yeah, and that's how you short Bitcoin on KuCoin. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and in the next video we will short Bitcoin on Binance. Thanks for watching.